Welcome back to the shop. I wanted to take a quick moment and give you guys another update for anybody who's been following. The bike did get put all back together in time to be loaded on the trailer today and on its way out to Colorado, where I will meet it in 2 weeks' time. After putting the forks back on, putting new tires back on, front and rear, lubing the chain, another oil change, packing all of the gear, picking up some new gear items to make the trip a little more comfortable and to get everything to fit into the saddlebags, it is all ready to go and it will go on the trailer today. But as you can see, the tank bag is on, the bags are all packed. Stuff sacks made it really nice to fit everything in here. I came up with some clever ways to try and fit everything into the bags for 6 days, including these shoes here, which are actually aqua socks. I thought that'd be a great way to have another pair of shoes without taking up as much space as a normal pair of shoes. So I've got those, went really conservative in terms of the clothing that I'm taking outside of my riding gear. Obviously, we're gonna be in the mountains, so the temperatures are gonna vary pretty dramatically. So I've packed every liner to the gear. I've packed all of my heated gear. I have 2 pairs of gloves, one thinner, one thicker, so that way I can handle any type of weather conditions while we're out and riding. We have a tarp so that hopefully we're not stuck in the tents if we wind up in inclement weather. And that is it. It is ready to go. Stay tuned and more to come. Until next time, take care and ride safe.